Hello everybody, welcome back to another Make Money on Jumia video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place an order on Jumia so that you can start making money as a Jumia sales agent, placing orders for people on Jumia. Placing orders on Jumia is the most important part when you want to become a Jumia sales consultant. So in the last video, we talked about how to register for the JForce, and if you already have an account right now, I'm sure you have started making money. If not, I will show you how to do that. If you're having any difficulties in this video, I'm going to help you figure it out. So since this button right here, the shop on Jumia Mall app is the most important button. Let's look at this. Let's look at how to shop on Jumia, how to place the order. So if you don't know how to place an order, JForce is not for you. But it's very easy to place an order. Anyway, so when you click on the shop on Jumia button, you will see the homepage for Jumia will load, and then you can start shopping. The only difference is in the URL up here, the link. When you look at the link, you notice that the source is equal to JForce, which means your referral has been recorded. So whatever you shop here will be tracked and will be registered in your JForce app. So let's say I wanted to buy maybe a laptop bag or a laptop. Scroll through some pages, page 1, page 2, page 3, until you get that perfect product for you at the right price. Remember, Jumia is listing thousands and thousands of products here. Even though sometimes it might be easier for you, just come in, type in here in the search, and you'll get what you have been looking for just in a few clicks. But sometimes you might want to scroll through, go through the pages and look for something. So for me to place this order to help you see the process how to place an order on Jumia or placing orders for others, I'm going to place an order for this small phone, this Nokia phone. All I need to do is go through the products and click on add to cart, and then I can go to the cart to proceed to the checkout. Oh, and by the way, something I might have not mentioned, whether you are buying products for your friends and family or you are buying the products for your own, you will still get the commission. So you might ask, what if I was buying the products for myself? Will I still get that commission? So once you click on the proceed button, the first step will be to change the address where the product will be delivered, to change or to set the address if you haven't set one. And all you need to do, if you have many addresses, you can just click on change, and then from the list you can choose the address that you want, or you can click on add new address to add the address of the customer, the one you're placing the order for. So you put in their names. For this example, let's say I'm placing the order for Mugabe Imran. So I put in his names and his phone number, and then I put in his address and I choose the region down here. So this guy lives in Chivoli, Kampala. He lives in the industrial area. So what I'm doing here is telling Jumia that I'm placing an order for someone called Mugabe Imran, and his phone number is this. You can contact him, and his address is this. So Jumia will deliver the product to this address. So this guy lives on the Silver Star Street, industrial area opposite to Easy Media Concepts. So this information will help the delivery guy once he's at the Silver Star Street in the industrial area opposite to Easy Media Concepts. You will have to call the number that I'll put in here. He calls this guy and then he tells him I'm here. And by the way, before this guy comes from Jumia, they have sent you an email or they have called you to let you know about your order delivery. In most cases, you get the message on your phone in the morning before this guy comes to deliver the product. The message will be saying that this guy, our delivery agent, will be calling you to deliver your product today. Once you have added the address, once you have chosen the address to which the product will be delivered, the next step is for you to choose the pickup or the delivery method. You can either choose one of these pickup stations, or you can choose standard shipping, which means that standard shipping, the product will be delivered to your home around Uganda. Or the customers, the people you are placing the orders for, they can be able to get their products. So to choose a pickup station, to change the pickup station, you just click on pickup station and you see the different pickup stations available in that region, depending on the address that you chose up there in step 1. So that is step 2, choosing the delivery method, either standard shipping or from a pickup station, from one of the Jumia pickup stations. Step 3 is the payment method, which is the most important part. So when checking out, you can see the total, including the shipping, and then you can proceed to the payment. So right here, someone can choose whether to pay with MTN mobile money or Airtel mobile money using the Jumia Pay app. The other payment method available is cash on delivery, but this might not be available for some orders, especially if you choose a pickup station. Some pickup stations might not have the cash on delivery option available. But in most cases, if you place the order direct with Jumia, this option is always, in most cases, available. The cash on delivery method. And most recently, Jumia added another payment method, which is using credit card. So anyway, to use the Jumia Pay, if you are using the Jumia Pay, all you need is the number, and once you have their number, they can even they can confirm the payment from their side. And once the payment is processed, you will get a confirmation email, confirmation message to confirm that your order has been placed. Also a message on your phone. The message will contain your order number, which you can use to track the product. You can go to my orders, or you can go back to your name, your profile, and if you click on the drop down, you will see my orders. Anyway, so to track your order, you just click on the item in your orders, and you'll see information about the product, about the order, the delivery method, and when it's estimated to be arriving. That's it for the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can now start making some extra cash on Jumia as a sales agent. Again, if you're having some difficulty registering or any issues, you can contact me, and I'll be glad to help you out, or I can add you to my team as a member, and you can make money online together. Sounds good? Alright, so if you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, and also share the video if you know some people who might want to make some extra cash on Jumia as sales agents. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I hope to see you in the next video. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to share it with your friends that might be interested in selling or making some extra cash, helping other people placing orders on Jumia. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure to do that and click the notification button so that when I release the next Jumia video, you'll be notified.